Good morning, students. I wanted to make another video for you today to explain what your new assignment is that I'm assigning today, to go over the assignment that is due today that I assigned yesterday, and to talk about some of our basic plans for next week, since we just found out that we're going to be staying remote now into January. So, to start here, I'm on our Google Classroom page. This one is for third period, but regardless, it's going to be the same thing for any class that you're in for me. And I'm going to go to the Classwork tab. The assignment that's due today is the ranking of the inventions of the Industrial Revolution. So this is under Unit 3, Ranking Inventions. We're going to click on Viewing that assignment. For this assignment that's due today, you needed to watch my video about the inventions. I have those notes posted here as a PDF, and you're going to watch that, refer to those notes, and then fill out the Google form that goes with that assignment. That is 15 points, and it's due by the end of the day today. Today's assignment that I'm posting is a wrap-up of these inventions. So you guys did research this week about the inventions, you evaluated them yesterday or today to rank those inventions, and this is going to be like a quiz over those inventions. So yes, it's a Google form, yes, it's open note, but it is going to be posted as a quiz grade or an achievement grade, so it's going to be under the weighted category in progress book. It's just 2 questions, and like I said, it's open notes, so refer back to those notes from earlier this week that were posted on Google Classroom about the inventions and the chart that you completed, that you guys filled in, as you go back and look at answering those 2 questions for me. So that's all that I have for you for the instructions for that. I'm going to be working today on a schedule for next week. This assignment that I'm giving you today, the Inventions Wrap-Up Quiz, is due on Monday. So you'll have today and Monday to work on it. And like I said, I'm going to be working on making a schedule for next week so that on Monday I can post that for you guys, and we'll see when and if we're going to have any Google Meets, when those will be, what we'll be doing with that, just kind of to check in and kind of get plans from here on out. So I hope you are all doing well. I miss you guys. I'm sad that I'm not going to get to see you guys until January, but hopefully we can do all of this and stay safe, and silver lining, you don't have to wear a mask the whole day. So we'll just try to keep it as positive as we can here. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you soon. Bye.